How to add friends on Roblox. So if you want to add friends on Roblox, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Roblox. And now on the first search you will have www.roblox.com. Click on that and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, on the upper left corner you will have a 3-bar icon. Click on that and then head over to friends. Before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now to search for friends or to add friends, here on the search bar search for your friend's username. For example, I'll be choosing a name, and after typing select in people, and then here you will have these all friends. So choose the friend which is yours and then you can click on add friends, and that's it. That's how you add friends on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.